and us doing a painting with some fingers.
That's right, guys. We have not. That's right, guys. We have not done a finger paint craft in a while. So we have some of our Crayola washable finger paints out, right? And we are going to be making dandelions.
Dandelions.
They're one of Cori's, I know they're considered a weed, but they're one of Cori's favorite flowers. You get to blow them and make a wish. Right, Cori?
Yeah.
So let's tell them.
But you tell Jesus too.
Yes, you can tell Jesus your wish too. Okay, that is the truth, girlfriend. All right, so let's tell them what we have here today, okay? All right, Cori. So tell them what supplies we have today for our dandelion finger paint craft. Go ahead, you tell them.
So us have some paint. See, look.
Yep, we have our finger paints
Yeah,
all
I
laid
don't
out.
know when you get close up, but look.
That's okay. We can show them up top too.
But guys, you know it's like paint. And paint with us fingers.
That's right, guys. We do love it.
You make a funny thing or put them on your nose.
That's what you always love to do. Put the paint on my nose. Okay, yeah. So we just had our paints out to show you which of our finger paints we were using today. We have our Vivid Colors cardstock. You can definitely do this on white cardstock if you'd like, but we're gonna do it on, we're gonna pick a color that we wanna do ours on.
I want a white.
You want a white one? Yeah, you can just flip it over to the white side.
White.
Yep, and then we also have a few different types of Crayola black markers. Had some of the paintbrush pens, a thicker one, and then some of the thin washable markers too. And a few paintbrushes just in case we need them, because I'm probably gonna mix some colors.
I want a white because I saw it.
You want white in there? All right, I'll move these over to the side so they can see what we're doing. All right, guys, you know the drill. Let us know where you're watching from today. We are so excited about this craft, guys. I was like, wait, we haven't done finger paint in a while. Not for a video, because Cori is always finger painting. That's why her apron is always much messier than mine. She just loves to finger paint. But I was like,
getting started already.
Yeah, she's gonna get started already.
So what I'm doing is this color is like a brownie color.
I actually think that's a dark purple. I think it just got a little dark right here, see? It's like wild, vivid violet. But I'm going to take my marker and just draw a little stem. Like then I'm gonna put a circle here in the middle. And then I'm just gonna start making some lines out. And then at the ends of the lines is where I'm gonna put my dots for my dandelion flower using my fingerprints. Okay guys, I just got the stem all drawn up for my flower, and I drew, what are these? I guess they're not like petals. I'm not sure exactly, but I guess they're little stems too.
So I mixed green and some little purple.
You're mixing green and purple?
Yeah.
I actually like the size of these little stems better.
And some white and some yellow.
I'm gonna do it with this one too, but I think my next one I'm gonna do it with just, I like the size of this better for my little stems. All right, guys, so once you have your flower drawn, just start using your finger paint to add some little dots. You can use your thumb or whatever finger you like. Cori's starting over again because she was going ahead and she wants to do hers to look more like the one I was doing. I'm gonna try and make a little pink here. Because you guys know pink is my favorite color. What's your favorite color, guys? Let us know. Does yours change from week to week like someone else I know, or do you kind of keep it the same color? Here you go. I'm mixing up because I want to have some pink on mine. I'm adding some to mine. I'm just putting little dots at the end of all those stems that I did.
I use blue. That's my favorite.
Guys, would you make yours like all one color, or would you make them like rainbow like we're doing with different colors? How would you make yours? Let us know in the comments.
Okay, now I do some red because red is my favorite color.
Oh, red's your favorite color today?
Mm-hmm.
Love that. Red is like love.
Red like lipstick.
Of course you think of lipstick. I love this.
I love this paint. It feels so good.
It feels so good. I love it.
I want orange because orange and red make like kind of color. So
What color do orange and red together make? I want you to mix it up and see, huh? It's coming together so cute. I'm gonna write on mine right down here. And I'm gonna...
It's make red again.
Oh, it's like an orangey red.
Orangey red. So it's make kind of red.
Yeah, kind of like another shade of red, right?
Yeah. So now I do...
I'm trying to do another one this time.
I do
with
purple.
longer stems.
Oh my God. I don't know why nobody loves purple, but I know purple was my thing.
You are just something else today. You cracking me up.
It's coming out super good, guys.
I'm doing it this time, guys, and I'm adding some little, like, I don't know, is it like the seed or stem? You know what? That's what I really should Google. We should look up after this the name of all the parts of a dandelion, because we probably should have done that.
So
But this would be a good introduction to do that this week. So guys, do you like using finger paint? What is your favorite art mediums? You guys have to tell us that. Like, what do you like to use? Markers, paints, finger paints, watercolors, acrylic paints, color pencils. Oh my gosh. Crayola has all the best stuff and so much to use and to choose from. You could just never get bored.
I'm using purple and kind of like orange because I want to...
I see you doing a lot of color mixing over there on your page. I love it. Yours is going to be super cute. Guys, we're going to frame a couple of these because we've decided in our creation station that we're going to have a little wall where we like have a few frames where we can change out our art that we make over time. So these will be right now for our spring, and then maybe we'll do our next summer craft or something like that in our classroom or in our creation station.
You got your mind.
I forgot my mind. Super cute. Now I'm just going to start adding my fingerprints on there.
So I get some paint.
So yeah, I like that when I dab it off a little first and then do the lighter color on the paper. I'm loving that. Ooh, let me see if I can mix up a little bright green color. What would I use to make neon green? Is it like green and yellow, you think, Cori?
Yeah.
Let's try that.
I do like that.
Oh yeah, look at that. That's giving me like a bright green color. Guys, if you can tell, we just love doing art.
Look at my flower. I like it.
I love it. Even if I set out to have a certain activity for her, I just let her creativity run wild. I'm here doing the craft that we set out for today, but
Look at this.
that looks amazing. That looks like dandelions blowing all in the wind. I'm never going to be like, that's not what we're supposed to do today, because it just looks good. Especially because we're crafting for fun, you know?
But
give her an idea and let her run with it. Guys, we would really love to see your interpretation of this craft, because I know some of you guys are probably some amazing artists. I'm not really an artist, but I just really love to do art. It's really soothing. Cori and I like to come in here sometimes in the evening. We like to do quiet crafts and hang out. I think she's over there peeling the paint off of her hands. But yeah, I really just love art. It gives us a creative outlet, and you don't have to be an artist to have fun with art.
A little close-up.
Okay, she's coming to give you all a close-up of her face.
She's
Turned our finger paint into face paint. Okay guys, another fun thing you can do to add to this is just add a few sayings. I put make a wish on one and be free like the wind on another. I wrote a saying. I put be free like the wind. That's what I love about dandelions. Like you blow them and they can be free like the wind.
But you didn't saw things like them white and them like flowers.
Yeah, the dandelion flowers.
And you like blow them with your mouth and you like blow them away like.
Yep, that's a dandelion. You gave me a dandelion kiss. Alright guys, we would really love to see you guys try this craft. So please try it out. Send us a picture or share it on your socials and hashtag Crayola Crafts and tag CJ and Cori. We are CJ and Cori on all socials. Here on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, wherever you're looking for us, you can find your girls. CJ and Cori will be back right here on the first and third Thursdays of the month with another fun Crayola craft. Right, Cori?
Yeah.
Hang out right here and make some crafts with us, guys. We'll see you guys soon. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
See you later. Happy crafting.
Happy crafting.
And it's always a treat.